Hey there, this is Father of Trades. I'm here to explain to you what daily bias is and how it can help your trading. So daily bias is the belief that you can see the direction from the candles in relation to their previous close. Now, just as an example, what we could see here is that this candle closed above the previous day's close. So in this example, we should see it go up. There it is. There it is. Now this one also closed above the previous day. So in theory, we should see this go up. There it is. Now, this candle is a doji, which represents indecision. So while we are generally still on an upward trend, because of the wick on the top and the bottom, we are going to be a little bit cautious on this next day. Boom, and there we go. Look at that. We are still going to be cautious as this might be a trend reversal. However, it is notable that the bullish trend is still intact as of this point. And now we have invalidated the previous three candles. Our bias going into the following day would then be bearish. The following 2 days, we had a small move up, which did not close above the high of this red candle, and the attempt to close above the top of this red candle was denied. Our bias is now still going to be bearish because this candle has not been broken. And there we go. The bearish bias comes to fruition. So again, what we are looking at here is, did this candle break the previous day's candle? And if so, which direction? If it had a direction, then this gives us an important insight into what the direction of the following day may be. Now, this will not work 100% of the time, but it does give you a layer of confirmation to the information that you are viewing. This allows you to make more informed trades, and it is a critical part of my Remora strategy. Let's do a little bit more and see if we can get it wrong once, just to show you what that might look like. We are very bearish. And there we go. It moved up. Yet we are still in a very clear downtrend with this daily candle not breaking this range. And this daily candle completely invalidated the prior day. So while we were wrong right here, we weren't wrong in the longer run. We still have a bearish bias. Now with this one, we opened and closed below the prior day, but we did see this big wick. This can be indicative sometimes of support finally being found on a downtrend. And will you look at that? Support was found on the downtrend. So you see, hopefully, how this can inform your decision-making process, and how bias plays a critical role in determining what trades you might want to take versus which trades you might want to leave alone.